I've got a secret, the law of attraction is a lie. It was at the center of the biggest self-help phenomenon of the last few decades. Now, everyone knows the secret was the law of attraction. The notion that, through cosmic law, whatever you focus on necessarily grows, so, rather than focusing on what you don't want, hold what you do want in your mind, and watch it blossom. But, what if the fundamental basis for the law of attraction was made up? What if it wasn't a law at all, but really just a theory or hypothesis? What if it wasn't as provable, self-evident or sacrosanct as Newton's law or any of the other laws of physics that have been proven through verifiable, scientific study and replication? What if its effectiveness was really much more about basic human nature and failing to acknowledge this dramatically limited, rather than strengthened its effect? Each one was mesmerizing. Captivating speakers, from Joe Vitale to Jack Canfield and Neil Donald Walsh to John Assaraf. Fascinating to watch. They spoke to the impact the law of attraction has had on their lives and the lives of thousands of others. Then, explanations based in science were proffered. Because, for us to accept something as law, we need proof. It needs to work all the time, regardless of belief, for all the people. It's all about quantum physics. Every thought, we learned, creates a measurable electromagnetic wave that is perceivable on a subtle level, by others. At least the first part of this is verifiably true, by modern methodology. And, the latter claim, that others perceive and have the ability to respond to these vibrations, I cannot prove, but, for the sake of optimism, I am open to. We were then told that, in nature, like attracts like. So, if you constantly focus your thoughts on what you want to manifest, rather than what you want to avoid, those around you whose thoughts are also resonating at the frequency associated with that same positive intention will be attracted to you. And, the net effect will be the manifestation of all you desire. For more details, click on the link below the video, and each positive interaction and baby step begins to further fuel the belief that was set in motion by your initial conditioning. This sets in motion a belief, action, attainment cycle that becomes increasingly unstoppable. So, in the end, you really don't need to leap down the quantum physics rabbit hole and buy into the existence of some law of attraction. If you want to, that's fine. But, it's really so much simpler than that. Repeatedly visualizing a goal as if you had already attained it conditions you to believe it's possible. Over time, as that conditioning takes root through repetition, your belief in success leads you to act differently on many levels and take actions you'd never have taken. Those actions increasingly deliver results and inspire you to believe your vision is attainable on a deeper level, which inspires even more action. And, as people around you see you not only succeeding, but becoming more confident, they will respond to that confidence, too. It's all very concrete. And, it also explains why even the most dogged focus on the attainment of a goal will bring you nothing without an equal commitment to action. So, what do you think? Is the law of attraction real? Is it bunk? Are the quantum physics validations behind it valid? Or, is something far simpler, yet equally impactful going on?